Just a little under 1/2 acre of premium land in the prestigious Moorlands Estate, ready for you to build your dream home. Located in an exclusive gated community, this property offers privacy, security, and top-tier amenities. Community features: clubhouse with large swimming pool, community gazebo, basketball court, children's play area, multiple green area reservations. Monthly maintenance fees: 4,000 Jamaican dollars without building, 6,000 Jamaican dollars with building. Motivated seller. Serious inquiries welcomed.